Hello guys, I agree to this Vera TV program in the building. So yeah, so you can see it. So I just want to post this one so that you can see this morning, maybe later in the day. I start our normal. Sure, you see that? Will you see it? Sure, you can see that. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see it? Sure, you see where it pass. Sure, so you can see it, right? Yeah, sure you can see it. So it's very good. Just wear it. Make sure say you did wear. You understand? Sure you see that right now. You can see it. So it's very nice and okay when you be say you go like them. You understand me, my real people. So if you never order, please order yours right now. Sure you can see. You see that? It's very, very authentic. Sure you see them. You understand? Now what you be say man and woman fit tie. You can see. Can you see that? Sure now they see the trousers man, right? You see them? You see it? You see it? Very fine and okay. Very good. You can you see them now? Sure now you see me now. My dress come this side now, right? Sure you can see. You can bend down, if you bend down like this, like this, like this. No problem about that. You can look good anytime. So if you go outside, you wear them. You understand? I don't wear this one since morning now. Sometimes wear on 7 to 8 hours. It's very good. Eat. Me the wear and now you can see. I don't eat now. So you see they like this. I wear and eat. So they wear and eat. So if you want to see they reduce your food, it's okay by you. You can see reduce your food is normal. It's good for you. You understand? We say. You understand? We don't get children, right? We still need to look sweet and look good, guys. So you will look sweet and look good, guys. You understand? You see? Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? You see that? Can you see that? Okay. You see her? So it's very good. Even though man or woman, you be man, you be woman, if you still wear it, good for you. You understand? Not let anybody deceive you. Say, you should say good. This one, that one. Me they wear and sleep. You understand? Like then we break for yesterday, so I wear and sleep, and I sleep good and I sleep well, guys. So it's very good for you, and you enjoy it. You like it. You wanna order, and it's very cheap price. You can afford it. It's very cheap and it's okay. You understand me? So if you buy this one, it's not say you get as you do it for body. You feel still buy another one. For this one and number 2 I did now. I will still enter number 3. I say I still type the next one now number 3 because anything make me enter number 3, the one when I order now go still come. I will still wear them again. So that it go dey small, so that it will make you look sweet and yummy. Make you look young, guys. So let me drop the shirt. So you can see. So you can see that. Understand? So you can see that. So you can see that. So just look. Let me drop the shirt and look. How did I look? See, you see, so if they go now, they coming back. Can you see that? Can you see it? Make you look sweet and sweet and sweet. Make you look good. You don't go come. Show you see now. So you can see that now. Sure you can see. So it's very, very good and sweet. So if you want to buy your own, you need to order yours so that it go good for you. If your man says, say, okay, it's like I'm going to use it, let him use it. You can see sometimes everyday makeup, you still need to look natural, okay? So that is it, guys. I love you all and I appreciate you all. So if you never order your own, try to order your waist trainer. It will make you look sweet and look good. And some are not bet, you know? You see that? You see that? You see that? You see that? So it's very good. You understand? Anywhere you know say you dey, if you never get the number, they use and they do live video all the time. So ask me and see quickly do this video. If you know say you need that, you're really serious, contact Vera TV program. My number is on my platform right there. So just contact me. I will give you the lady number. She lives in UK. 2, 3, 4 days we get time for your post. So first send her the direct address. The direct address, you understand? You go send and give her the money, go send everything for you. So he said that they call her body shaper. Really is a real body shaper, guys. You see that? You see that? It's real body shaper. Okay, so I love it so much. I love it. You can see that? You can see that? Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. shake it, you know. Sometimes they go they do when some people they do that, they show only back, they show only this thing, they show only it's about it. You see that? So it will make you look good and look sweet. You see how? You see how now? So it will give you the shape when you say you will look good. You understand? Even though your belly big, maybe they look and say maybe you not getting. Don't bother about that. You will look sweet and just try to the wear. If you they eat, more especially if you they eat, try to wear it. You understand? You will still look comfortable. You will still look sweet and look good. You understand? Try to put it on. Try to wear them. If not number one, if they enter to 2 to 3, they still order another one. This lady, why I love her so much, her own is very cheap. You understand? Don't see order another one from her. Her own is very cheap, okay? So if you need the number, you want to get it, just contact Vera TV program. I will give you the number and I'll check some of my video when I do the advert. You understand? Just check some of the video. You will get it from there. You will get it. You will get it. You will get it from there. You understand? You will get it from there. You will get it from there, guys. So it's very good. You can use it to dance. You want to jog like this. You want to jog. You can jog. You can look sweet. You can look yummy. Just turn around, guys. You can see that it's very sweet and good. Okay, not let anybody deceive you. Say, I'll be using it for long. You know, use and wear. Not be say you just tie in 1 minute, maybe 2 hours, 1 hour, you just lose them. I don't wear this one since morning, so I will let them reach like 6, 7, 8 hours. Okay, normal if they wear like 8 hours, you eat and you want to sleep, you wear them. It's good for men, it's good for women. If you are a man, you can still wear it too. So if I don't wear it out, just wear them for inside, or you are walking when you take the walk. So just wear them. You don't understand? You not go hook you when it be say you not go feel walk well. You not go hook you when it be say you come. No. It will make you look sweet. As I just after many cases, don't you see as I look sweet? So me still want you guys to look sweet and look good for your man, for your husband, okay? So me say they look for my husband, they look good for my man, my husband. So you need to love it, right? After many cases, can you see that? Can you see that? Okay. Can you see that? Okay. You see? Huh? Can you see that? So it's like the, oh my God. Okay, let me check. It's like this thing is too high or what? I don't know. Okay, let me put it here. Let me see, because I want me. Okay, all right. So okay, can see that. Let's say it too high before. So can you see that right now? You see it. You understand? So you see how? You see how? You see that now jeans you wear, or now tight you wear, or you are free to go. You wear. You see it, so it's very good. It will make you look sweet, make you look yummy, make you look bangan. Pose now. So this thing good for you, okay? Don't let anybody deceive. So shine and send. I wear it inside, and I can't wear my distance. So it's good. If you need the number, contact Vera TV program or go to my videos and watch it. You will like it and you will look young. It's good for us to look you after many kids. Don't bother. Just look sweet and look your mama will love you. Don't let your belly big. Wear it go good for you. You understand? For some people, maybe say they don't wear it before. I feel they talk yours now. No, wear, use and wear. If you be say maybe you too eat, you they look and say no, they work for you. You know they feel they tight and eat. You they wear and they eat. You know they make you comfortable. What you just have to do, reduce your food a little bit and just try. If now 5, maybe they slicing bread like 8, you feel reduce them to 6. You know, to 7. From 7, you will enter 6. From 6, if you enter 5, normal, you will can't get used to it. If you be say maybe they eat plenty food before, you will adjust a little bit so that you feel the time. No matter what, say hey, you know, feel they drink water. Water is very good for body. That one on me. For you to load many food, you can eat, drink water after eating, but make sure say you tire. Because since at times I don't eat as myself, so I'm not the lie. I've eaten this morning. This after 2 now. I don't eat. So I wear my be like this. Imagine when the be say I never eat. You will say and say, it go make cancer, go make kakbo shit, guys. You understand? You know, see, show you see, don't be bad to the talk. Bring your backside. Let's see. Show everything. Make sure say you show on like this. Let people see. Show the side. You can see that. You can see that. Okay. And see, So I just I do this short video and post it on my channel, so that later, you understand. So you can see that is very beautiful and sweet and nice. So order yours, it will be yours forever. And when you order, when it be said, when you order, don't the as in don't the slack, try to order another. That is the reason why I'm directing you to this our lady, that she lives in UK and you will like what she's selling. She is affordable, you can afford it, guys. So it's very good for you. You can see, if I want to do sports now, I want to run now, you see, I can run. Okay, even though you don't feel unsafe, you do like this, you do like this, or like this, you see, if you do like this, even though not before our side, you see, as our mommy, last lady mother-in-law, they do, and mommy love it. Now, they do. Sometimes you don't go out to go and jog. Before you do like this, draw your leg, hit your leg, do your leg, do like this, do like this. You will see, my guy, my sister, my aunties, you will see say heat go come out for your body. Before you, they do like this, they do like this, or they do like this, they do like this, my dear. Before you know, it's down. So small. You go they lose some Carolis for body. They call them. You go they lose them. You go they lose them. You go they lose them. You understand? You go they lose them. Small as they go. So it's getting down. So you can look yummy. You can look sweet, guys. You can look okay. You can look sweet. So don't let anybody deceive you. And please, my sister out there, our mother, sister, darling, all of you need this and it will work for you. This Vera TV program cannot direct it to somebody that is so many people full social media and scammer. They be the collect money finish. You know, see what you say, make the post for you. You know, go see them. And I will not be saying you go say 100 euro, 80 euro, 70 euro. No. So if you call an own ship, so you can buy one, you use order another one again. It's cheap. So now what make me sit and say me reduce for my people, because definitely I know my fans will like it and they would like to buy it from her. So I tell her to reduce it. You understand me? Now I had that for the order too. She reduced it for me, you know. So don't they sell a normal price when they say it's cheap. Not the way some people they say they go use B money to pursue. You use all your money to buy a waist trainer. You can't look like say all money we do with you. Don't use and buy waist trainer finish. No, guys. You can see me, you can see that. Okay, look sweet for your husband, look sweet for your boyfriend, look sweet for your honey, your sweet pie, your sweetheart. Look sweet for him, so that yes, definitely he too we love you. That is it, guys. You can see that. You can see that. So that is it, my people. The advert is still going on. I'll still they do any times when I still get chance like this to empower our women, to tell our women the truth. You can see I didn't make up today. How do I look, guys? Do I look beautiful? You can see I didn't make up today, guys. So every day take the pack week, show your real face and let people see how you look. You understand? So that is it. You can see. And this cream when I use, if you know say you need that, you will see. Sure, you see my skin. This one not be say camera light to. Sure, you can see. You can see I open the window, everything now. You understand? Sure, you see. The cream when I use now, cream when it be say it looks sweet. Make I even come show myself. May I show now my people? Let me show you guys. So just look at the cream. Now see, the cream. So now be this one. Show now see, fair and white. So you see it, fair and white. Now the pink one, okay. So you can see that this one now they use. So now which are they telling me that the sun say the blue one is working for them. You can see it's still there. So you see also fair and white. If you like them, you need them. Fair and white is still good for you. Now I mean they use. I'm not they miss them. Although many people say that they miss them, but as for me, I don't miss it. I don't like missing cream. Okay, because some myself does still come. You know they make you they burn for body. You see my hand. You know they make you say as in you can't burn anyhow. No, it will make you look sweet. It will make you look good. You know I know they miss them. You understand me? So it's very good for you. This is the fair and white I'm talking about. Because me, I don't live fake life. So as I tell some of my fans that they some feel they say maybe I like, you see, now be this one now they use. So the cream is very good. It's very nice for you. You can use it. Just they use them. Don't bother. Okay, maybe if they rub cream before you yellow, maybe because you can't they use this one, I go make you change color no matter. But when you are using it, use them. When it says heat, don't they now rub and morning and night. And when the rub as I talk that they make sure say you on your fan. make heat me all wash and comot. So as you dey use and when you don't dey used to, you go see and say definitely you go look sweet. You go come master your skin. Understand? You see it now. They use my real people. So thank you very much, and I appreciate you all. Thank you for watching me, and please drop your opinion, drop your comment down below, and please comment good and comment sweet. You understand? So as for the cream, you can get it in Afro Shop in France. Now France do the cream, so it's very good for you guys. You can see that, you can see that, you can see that. How do I look, guys? How do I look? So drop it the comment below. Thank you very much, I appreciate you all. So let me show the uku back again. Let me show you guys. You see it? You see the shape, man? You see it? You see it? So thank you very much. I'm about to go now. God bless you. Give this video thumbs up, give this video a like. Thank you very much, I appreciate you. So assisting me, I use this one to updates. Maybe I feel enter later, I don't really know. So thank you very much. Please patronize this our sister that lives in UK. So if you need the number, just contact Vera TV program, will drop the number, and when you check some of my video, you will see her number there. So thank you very much. I'm about to go now. Bye 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 bye. Happy Monday. Today is Monday, first day of the week, right? Yes, today is Monday, guys. Thank you very much, and I appreciate you all. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye bye for now.